special guest with us from WicamFi. So without wasting any time, I want to introduce that special guest to you. So let me bring him into the frame. So this is the special guest from WicamFi HD PTZ camera. Say hi to the camera. So without wasting any time of our special guest, we will jump onto the unboxing. So this is our PTZ camera from WicamFi. Let me tear this tape so that I can show you what's there inside the box. So I can see a shaft, and this is a polythene here. Let me keep this aside, and this is a thermocol keeping the shaft of the camera steady. And let me take out this, and this is the shaft I was talking about. This will hold your huge camera, huge PTZ camera. Let me take this cardboard out of the box, and there is a huge PTZ camera inside the box. And now we will take this huge camera out of the box and keep it aside. And there is a warranty card I can see. So this is a warranty card assuring you 2 years of manufacturing warranty against any defect. So let me keep this aside, and I can see a pack of screws. You will need these screws at the time of the installation of your AHD PTZ camera. So nothing inside the box. Let's keep it aside. So this is a pack of screws. I will show you properly. These screws will come to use at the time of installation, and it's solidly built. It can hold your camera easily. We will keep it aside for now. And this is a warranty card. You can get your camera replaced by the company if you face any defect. It's valid for 2 years. And this is a shaft which will hold your camera. This will be attached to the wall, and I can see the build quality of this shaft. It's superior in quality and can hold your camera so easily. So let me keep this aside. And this is our huge PTZ camera. Let me take this out of the final packaging, and we will keep it on the table. So these are the cables which represent that your surveillance camera is a AHD camera, and these wires transmit your HD video footages to the DVR. And now let me show you the places given to mount your screws. You need to mount your screws so that your shaft is attached to the camera. And let me show you how it is done. So what we will do, we will pass the cables through the shaft. You can see, and this is the position. Now your shaft is attached to the camera, and you will mount your screws here. So let me show you the position, how it looks like, and it is attached onto the wall. So it's like in this position, you can see. Now let me keep this shaft aside, and we will talk about the features of this camera. This camera is a weatherproof totally, as it comes with the temperature range of -10 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. And if we talk about the lens is of 2 megapixels, producing HD video footages. And this is IR cut filter which comes with CMOS cameras to produce accurate color images. And this camera features 36 into optical zoom. So it comes with 360 degree of limitless rotation. I will show you. You can see, and it comes with the ability to customize tools which will let you configure the path according to which it will rotate. and it has availability of 8 tours. You can see how it works. Now let me show you the product label. So this is a product label which you can share onto the company's website to know more about the PTZ camera. And this is WicamFi logo. So this was the unboxing. So this was the unboxing of AHD PTZ camera from WicamFi, and I will be coming back with more unboxing videos of different surveillance devices. And I request you, if you have any questions or queries regarding this product or any other surveillance device, you can ask freely by posting them in the comment section below. And till then, like this video, share this video as much as you can, and subscribe to our channel CCTV Product Review. Till then, goodbye.